everybody, this is Christy from kitty_plants on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and CD stickers inserts, and for this week, I'm using this beautiful, beautiful kit, the Pretty Pink Co, which is called Autumn Stroll. It's so pretty with the pink colors in it combined with autumn colors. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while. Alright, so let us get on with the rest of the base where I put that script that is from Paper Trail Plans. And the wash is part of the bundle that I bought for this kit. So I bought the bundle kit that comes with, I think, accompanying foil, this washes, and like some journal deco. So yeah, I just really love buying that kit, like that choice or option, because it already has everything I need. So what I'm trying to do here is to create a scene with that beautiful gazebo in the middle, and then trying to figure out how to fix this what do you call this the lamp light. It doesn't fit, or it would look better on the left side of the chair. So that's why I moved the bench, not the chair, well, it's kind of chair, but the bench more to the right, so that I could fit in that lamplight, which looks better in my opinion. So I just do the same thing with the bench. On the other end, I'll be putting like a foil lamp beside it as well. And then I like how, again, the quote box is it's actually what do you call this, it goes with the wash, so it's like just not really a box. Well, you can see the edges, but still I think it really combines well with the washes. So I think the washes are combining, the one that Pretty Pink Co provides, like, is like close to the color of the coat box, because I think the other one, the previous one that I did, has the same color again as one of those washes. So that's good. So yeah, on the second half, I put down, it looks so very springy in autumn, but I just love the colors. I just love that florals was used here. So yeah, I just did all the full boxes in there, and then I used the accompanying. So I used the washes also, and some florals to put together those boxes, and I just love how it comes out again, as usual. Loving my own work. And then I put down the foil that comes with the kit. So yeah, that is it for my base, and I'll talk to you today. All right, so for Monday, I was reading or listening to Broken Country. I think I already discussed it in the previous plan with me, but I didn't say what the plot was about. Well, it is about a sort of love triangle wherein there's a happily married couple who lives on a farm, and then suddenly the brother-in-law shoots or shoots a dog, unfortunately, and that dog belongs to the son of the former love of the woman, or the woman of the married couple. So everything starts there, and it's a nice read. It's lots of things happening, so yeah, that's a good read. And then today also, we had our flags. We had to put flags because the next day would be like our aeration day. So that's why we had to put flags on where the sprinklers are, so that the people who needed to go put those seeds in would know where the sprinklers are. So we also got DoorDash from Panda Express. All right, so on Tuesday I did pick up my daughter because she had some reading activity that was for a learning study that was done, so that's why I had to go get her after that. And then we did go on a grocery run, and as usual my scripts are from Blissful Jayde Designs, who does customized black scripts on Etsy. So if you do want to check her out, I do have a 15% off discount code using Christy15. All right, and then after that, we got some Starbucks. And now we're on to Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I was listening to this time The Kind Worth Killing For. I think this is a suspense or thriller kind of, or mystery maybe. I yeah, it's a mystery that was pretty good as well. So I was listening to it and I did finish it. And then I was working on my October bullet journal this time for my planning sesh. The planning sesh script is from Paper Trail Plans. And then that really cute planner is from Hello Petite Paper, who does icons as well. So yeah, this is very cute. The wiggle, just showing the foil. And then we're on to Thursday. So what happens on Thursday is that we got some Uber Eats from McDonald's. And then after that, I nothing much happened today. So just mundane things happened. Happy Mail. I got Happy Mail from I got the Pretty Pink Call mystery kit. So which was for, I think, when was this? August, the August mystery kit. Yeah. And yeah, that mail thing again is from Hello. That mail icon is from Hello Petite Paper. She really does really cute pink icons in her shop. And then on Friday we did have a ninja class. And then I went on another grocery run. I was looking for gifts for my husband, who is going to celebrate is going to have his birthday the next day. So, last minute shopping for his gift. It's so hard to find a gift for him. But anyways, I did get something that he usually uses for his game. So yeah, that's what I did. And then I also got some takeout from McDonald's again, which most probably is for my daughter. All right. And then on Friday would be my husband's birthday. So that's why I am putting down, this is such a cute kit. Pretty pink kit for my husband's birthday. But no, I don't really do my husband's birthday spread. I usually do it for my daughter, who we'll see in November, for my November spread. So yeah, that's why it was his birthday today. So we did go out to Seafood City and ate at Max's. Max's has the really yummy the chicken. It's so good. And some other goodies as well on that dining out. We did also, what else did we do here? Oh, I did have a FaceTime later on with my mother, and my father, my parents, who are based in the Philippines. So that's why we do some FaceTime to catch up on things. All right, so on Sunday, I did sleep in. Ooh, yes, nice. And that sleep in pillow is from my newest addiction. I just love using those stickers all the time. I think I've had several sleep ins from the past spreads. So yeah, and then I was able to film a plan with me, and that cute icon of that film, like that filming sticker, is from White Deer Stationery. All right. So the last thing we did was, well, not really last thing, but the last highlight I have is that we did DoorDash of Taco Bell. This is usually for my daughter again, who is currently obsessed with the food from Taco Bell. Not the healthiest, but yeah. So yeah, this is it. These are the leftovers from this kit. I used a lot, and there's still a lot of leftover. So yeah, we'll see what we'll do with these things. And yeah, this is the Autumn Stroll kit in rose gold foil from the Pretty Pink Co. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.